Good morning student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I came here with a unique technique to learn the formulas of trigonometry. How? Let's see and go to the video. First you draw a hexagonal form. First we will draw a hexagon, something like that. As you know that there are 6 vertices in hexagon, so we have drawn 1 vertices, 2 vertices, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there are 3 diagonals, so we will have to draw 3 diagonals, join the opposite vertices and got the 3 diagonals in the hexagon. Now first write 1 in the middle of the portion of the hexagon, write 1 in the middle portion of the hexagon. Here we have drawn tan. We will go for the clockwise direction. We will go for clockwise direction. We will go for clockwise direction, clockwise, and put sin theta, as we know that tan theta is equal to sin by cos. Sin theta divided by cos theta. So tan theta means tangent. There is a tangent portion. So we have to draw here tan theta. Then we will go for the sin and then cos. Then opposite to tan there will be cot, opposite to cos there will be sec, opposite to sin there will be cosec. Listen very carefully. Write first tan, go for clockwise direction, write sin, then cos, then write opposite to tan, write cot, opposite to sin, write cosec, opposite to cos, write sec, and put 1 here. Put 1 here. Now come to the formula. Now first formula, as I have already written here, first formula is tan theta is equal to, if this taken this one, tan theta is equal to this one divided by this one, vertices of this one divided by this one. Got? Now similarly sin theta is equal to this one divided by this one. Cos theta divided by cot theta. Again, now we will go to the cos theta. Third, cos theta. Cos theta can be written as this one divided by this one. Cot theta divided by cosec theta. Okay. Now come to point 4. Cot theta. Cot theta is equal to this one divided by this one. Cosec theta divided by sec theta. Got it? These are the things. So similarly we can write sec theta is equal to tan theta divided by sin theta. Sec theta is equal to tan theta divided by sin theta. Now see this one. We have written sec theta is equal to tan theta divided by sin theta. Similarly we can go for the next part of the situation of formula. Multiple formulas you can find through this one hexagonal method. Now this one. Now another formula. Now take this one. Diagonally you can go, and here I have why I have written 1, because when you will multiply these vertices and these vertices you will get 1. So the formula 7 formula will be something like that. Sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Similarly, tan theta into cot theta. Similarly, tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Now, sec theta into cos theta or cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. And these are the things. You can also say that sin theta is equal to, from here you can also, we can also say that sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Again we can also say that tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Now here we can say that cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. See this one. These are the things we can say through the hexagonal method. Now students, similarly we can take three consecutive trigonometric entity and the product of opposite to this one and this one will result of middle one. So the formula will come as tan theta into cos theta is equal to sin theta. Product of three consecutive trigonometric identities and taken two opposite, the product will be equal to middle one. So similarly, take this one and multiply this one into this one, sin theta into cot theta, sin theta into cot theta, result will be cos theta. Again, if you will take this one, multiply this one into this one, cos theta into cosec theta, always be cot theta. Now 4, take this one, now multiply cot theta into cosec into sec theta is equal to cosec theta. Similarly we can multiply, we can take this one and take cosec theta into tan theta, the result will be sec theta. So lots of applications of hexagon in the trigonometric formulas. We will go further day by day. You will see that how we will go this one. First learn this one and give the comment what about your experience of learning this one. Then we will go again. I will come here with the relationship of hexagon and trigonometrical formula, and you will see next amazing things related to this one. So till that, have a good day. Goodbye. Take care of yourself.